Accrue, meaning a gradual or slow increase or addition or accumulation of something like amount, growth, interest, profit, etc. Custom, meaning to acquire knowledge or experience to something new or unfamiliar to you and become used to it. You make yourself used to something unfamiliar to you. May, meaning the last or top part or highest point of something. Acquaint, meaning to tell someone of something so that they know it, to have knowledge of a person, to have make a person familiar with something. Acquiesce, meaning if you acquiesce to someone's demand, proposal, or want, you submit or agree quietly without objections or arguing. Acquit, meaning if a court acquitted you of something illegal or unethical or crime, you are formally declared innocent, free from fault, or you did not take part or commit the crime. Acrimonious, meaning bitter and angry words or manner. Actuate, meaning if someone is actuated to do an action, he is incited or moved or motivated to do that action. If a mechanical or electronic device actuates, that device starts running. Acumen, meaning if someone has an acumen on something, example, business, he's good at it because he can make good decision and judgment. Acute, meaning if you describe a condition, experience, or feeling as acute, you indicate that it is extreme or intense or severe. In medicine, severe and does not stay very long. Acute hear, sight, taste, smell, or feel are powerful and highly sensitive to small or slight stimuli or details. Adage, meaning a saying based on past or common observation or experience and is considered a general truth. Adamant, meaning determined to stay or remain to their choice or decision, not want to accept change even after persuasion. Adapt, meaning to adapt to new condition or situation is to change, alter, or modify your thoughts or attitude so that you deal with it effectively or to do different of what you have used to modify, alter, or change something like play, stage, act, film, TV, song, novel so that it can be displayed or shown in another way. Adult, meaning if you are adult on something, you are confused to that something. You are incapable to think normally or properly or clearly. Adduce, meaning if you adduce data, information, fact, or anything you quote or cite or mention it in order to support your argument or use it as evidence to support your argument. Adept, meaning if you are known as adept at something, you are very skillful or an expert. You do it very easily because you are well trained. Adjacent, meaning if two places or things are adjacent, they are side by side, may or may not touch, near or next or close to each other. Adjoin, meaning joining definitely in contact or touching of two or more places or things like rooms, buildings, place, land, etc. Adjure, meaning if you adjure someone, you charge or command or encourage him to do something often or as if under oath or penalty, to earnestly request or appeal or urge or advise. Admonish, meaning to criticize or disapprove someone's action in a friendly or gentle way, to warn or advise against something, to urge someone to do something. Ado, meaning an action or activity without further or much ado, is you do it immediately without stalling or delaying. Unnecessary or time-wasting action or noisy, troubled, confused activity.